Hello, my name's Andrew with Hoffman Lawn Fertilization. Today I want to talk to you about the morning routine when you first show up. So the employee parking lot as of right now is going to be lot D1 just behind me. And if we pan over, it's about 300 feet away from our shop. We're going to do a quick walkthrough back here and show you where the first to arrive are going to start parking. Alright, so now that we're inside our lot here, the first to arrive are going to start parking alongside this back fence line. These trucks normally will not be here. Once that back fence line is then filled up, then we'll create a row right down the middle. You always want to be careful because we do have cleanup trucks that will be loading and skid steers as well that will be getting mulch from the mulch bin, so keep your distance from them. Alright, so now that we're in the shop, let's go over the clocking in and clocking out. So in this little cabinet right here, we've got a tablet. You'll be given a 4-digit code. That's what you're going to use to punch in and log time. Start time throughout the season is generally going to be 7 a.m. You can show up earlier, but just know that we don't start tracking that time until 7 unless otherwise stated for showing up early for some odd and end tasks. So now that you've clocked in and it's time to get ready for the day, it's kind of getting into the morning routine. First and foremost, we need to get all the equipment out of the shop that will be going for the day. So that means getting the trucks and trailers hooked up and getting those pulled into the parking lot. Once that's done, you need to prep and make sure that all your equipment is ready to go. That could be checking to make sure you've got string trimmer line, that your spools are loaded, make sure that you've got gas, cleaning out the trucks, cleaning out the bed of the truck. Once that's taken care of and you're still waiting on a morning meeting, which we've got a morning meeting every single day, that could be at 7:15 or 7:30, you can always sweep the shop. We've got a bunch of trash cans in here that need to be emptied into a dumpster that's just right next to our bays. So morning meeting generally is going to be 7:15 or 7:30, and that's just depending on the time of the year. So you're ultimately getting everything ready in preparation for that meetup, and then you guys will be dispersed out to your routes.